Today, I'm going to show you how to connect your TikTok account to Chatbot Builder AI. This is a very simple setup. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Perfect. So now as you can see, I'm here in the Chatbot Builder AI dashboard. So this is the analytics section right here. And we can see that right now we only have web chat under channels. Now there are two ways we can do this. We can either just click on channels right here, or we can go to settings and channels. For this one, I'll just click on channels right here. Perfect. So now we've been taken to the channels section under settings. Now what we're going to do is we want to connect TikTok. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is just click TikTok. This integration lets you create a TikTok bots. Simply connecting this. Now where it says Chatbot Builder AI wants to access your TikTok account. So right here you can see that Chatbot Builder AI already has some access. You can click on this and kind of read through on what it has access on, such as access your profile, read and manage messages, read your TikTok account type, read message in your inbox, send message interaction to other accounts on your behalf. So this is all good. Now you can switch if you want to use a different account right here. I already have my main one set up. And all you gotta do is click on continue. It's simply then over to settings right here. And there are two ways you can set up your default reply. You can either have it through flows or you can have it through AI Hub. I'm gonna choose AI Hub for this. So for this method right here, we will not be using the fallback flow. This will not be used at all. We'll simply head over to integrations. So settings, integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT or whichever LLM that you've chosen to connect, large language model. Simply click on this, and as you can see, it says auto reply, AI auto reply. Automatically uses the default AI agent to respond to user messages before triggering the fallback flow. So for this one here, I'm simply just going to turn this on and click save. Now all I have to do is head on over here to the side where it says AI Hub, and this will be setting up our AI agent. So as you can see, I already have quite a few of them. I'm going to create a brand new one over here and call this one TikTok bot. Now I already have a knowledge base prepared. I'll be copying it over shortly. So I'll just paste this right here in system message. So this is pretty much the system message. It's just giving a persona snapshot of, for example, myself. I'm a UCG video maker for software brands. It's $400 US, $40 US if they want to include their website in the comments, things like that. A great, example on the clients you can reach out to with this is look for anyone who's selling a course or who is selling something or providing something on TikTok. But a lot of these creators generate so many incoming messages, it simply can't respond to all of them, right? So what you can pretty much offer them is say, listen, we have a fully customized AI chatbot system. And pretty much what happens is when the customer, messages your account and asks, for your product or service, they get all the information immediately, right? All the information right on the spot. And you can even have a function set up to redirect them to your booking link, right? So it's pretty much on autopilot and you're not losing any more money that's on the table because all the messages are being responded to, all the incoming leads are being responded to. So anyways, this is the very basic prompt that I have here. We can remove something. So I'm just gonna remove this, revisions, delivery. So we'll remove from down here because I'm gonna make it a little bit different. Okay, and what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna say if the user is interested, ask them to book an appointment. Okay, and so what's gonna happen is, let me just go down here. I've already set up a function for this, book appointment TikTok. All right, and we're gonna click on save right here. And I'm gonna show you the function right now. So we'll simply head on over to the function tab right here. And we want to go for book appointment TikTok. And it's really simple. Name book appointment TikTok. What does this function do? Very simple explanation. Allows you to book an appointment. What flow is triggered? Booking for TikTok. This is perfect. We click continue. We've already selected it in the AI Hub. And we can look at the flow that is set up for this. So the flow would be booking for TikTok right here. And it's really simple. Literally says amazing to book, please click below. And then you provide the link or their link. And when you message, that's what you will receive. So for this example, I'm just going to set this to TikTok and click publish. And we can test this now. Let me just head on back. Let me just make sure that on the AI Hub, we have everything set up correctly. Yeah, so TikTok bot, we can use unset default agent or set as default agent. We can even test it on web chat. But for this one, we'll test it on TikTok. All right. So what we'll do is analytics, test now. and I'm just gonna scan. Okay. So now I'm gonna go there, make it to messages. All right, I'm gonna simply say something like, hey, how are you doing? So I respond, give it a second. Now we're gonna say something like, how much to promote my software? Okay, so now it's gonna wait. So it's giving us the generic pricing that we have provided it with. Okay, and now here it's asking us if we want to book. So we simply say, yes, I would like to book. So now the function is gonna trigger, as you can see, and yeah, so we have it here. It's provided us with a link. Now, there is some limitations to some countries out there. We have more information on that coming out, and I will update the description down below as we go over that. But that is as simple as it is to set up your TikTok account, right? So the connection in itself is extremely easy. And then all you have to do after that is set up your AI agent or connect your AI agent, and you're all good to go. And this way you can, one way I would promote it myself is I would make a video. I would set it up for lead gen. I would set up on my own personal TikTok account, and I would create a video saying, listen, you're losing money if your DMs are not being responded to. If you're a UCG creator or if you're a content creator and you have a product or a service that you're promoting or selling, but you're unable to respond to every single incoming DM, we completely understand that. We have a solution for you where every single DM gets responded to, right? And with every single DM that's being responded to, your conversion rates will increase. That is a no-brainer. And then just put it out there. And so these TikTok creators, right, they may come across your video, they see it and they click on it. And then now they're talking to your bot and they're like, hey, this bot is actually pretty damn good. You know, I would like this for myself. And as they fill out their information and then they get their booking link and they book in with you, you have your calendar slowly, you know, filling up with bookings of content creators who are interested in having a system like that. And even better, a little pro tip before we finish out here, if you're niche down, if you have one particular niche that you are serving, then that is perfect because you can create templates, you can copy and duplicate across accounts and simply just change or tweak little differences, right? Such as company names, maybe a different sales pitch, different product, things like that. And all of a sudden you're able to scale. That is the magic right there, being able to scale and make that money. I hope you enjoyed this video. We have more coming very soon, so please stay tuned. Be sure to check out PayMeGPT. It's our sister company for the quickest ways to launch AI agents for your Telegram bots now, but mainly web chat. So Telegram and a web chat, you can absolutely dominate. There is more coming. We have a founders deal right now, so don't miss out. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.